Hello, all my joyful creators, and welcome to this special fall harvest Thanksgiving video. As you can tell in the title, we have a giveaway going on, and I am very excited about this giveaway. I recently posted a tutorial earlier today using part of this giveaway to create a crochet project in the form of a scarf, and next week I will have a tutorial on creating a matching hat to go with that scarf. Now, you certainly can take your winnings and create whatever you like, but those are just some opportunities that I am providing for you in case you would like to do the same. So, what all are you getting? Well, if you saw from the picture, there's quite a few things in there. So let's take a look. So this is our giveaway. How fun and exciting. So, for our lucky winner, you're going to win 6 colorful fall colors. They're all Red Heart yarn, Super Saver, 4 medium weight yarns. They have 7 ounces, 198 grams, 364 yards in each. And the colorway that you are going to get is pumpkin, medium thyme, saffron, mulberry, charcoal, and cafe latte, and then a couple other little goodies to celebrate your holiday with is some thankful dish towels, and there are 2 of those. And then pot holders. Autumn leaves are falling. And a nice orange color on the back. And there's 2 of those, and then 2 of these oven mitts. How exciting. Now, what do you have to do in order to enter this giveaway? I will list all the regular YouTube rules down in the description box below for you to read over, and I do encourage you to read over them very carefully. The main thing is you do have to be a subscriber to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and answer a very special question for me, because I am curious to know what it is about fall that makes you happy. So the question is, what is your favorite thing about the fall season? And the word that you want to make sure you put in your comment is fall. I look forward to reading all of your answers. Then on Monday, November 30th at 8 p.m., I will upload a video of me live on the video doing the random YouTube picker, selecting the winner. So good luck, everyone. Until then, have a happy Thanksgiving, be joyful, and I will see you again soon. Hugs!